What are the mistakes you're making when you don't feel seen by your man? You express your pain by complaining, demanding, and whining. You're pushing down your pain, trying to suppress it. You're trying to rationalize your pain. You transform your pain into anger or feeling righteous. You're closing down, disconnecting from your feminine, and trying to keep yourself busy so that you don't feel. You're punishing your man. You're triggering your man, trying to get him angry, because him being angry and present with you is less painful than him not seeing you, not paying attention to you. You're soothing your ego by getting attention by somebody else, which is not a long-term strategy for a committed relationship. I read in a caption, what is a much better way to make him notice you again and to bring him to presence with you?